Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about data table in Power BI. So what is data table? What it generally does? So data table returns a table with fixed set of value. So whenever there is a requirement that we need to create a table with a fixed sets of value, then with the help of a data table function, we can able to do it. So this is the signature of the data table function. This is the name, this is the type, this is the name, this is the expression, and this is the data. So let's discuss each and every parameter. So this is the name of the column and it must be in the double quotes like AP product name and AP product price. This is the type. What is the type of the column? The column which we have created here, what is the type? It could be string, double, int, and currency. And this parameter will going to discuss about the data point to add to the table, and it is separated with the help of a curly brackets like this. AP first 1, AP second 2, AP third is equal to 3. So this kind of a value we are going to give in data parameter. Data table can accept only fixed input, no table or column references expression or the calculation. So it will going to accept a fixed value always. This is the data model which we are going to use in this exercise. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. So what I am just doing in this exercise, I am creating a table. The name of the table AP retail data table with the help of this data table. Here we are just defining the column name. So this is the name of the column and this is the data type of the column. First name of the column is AP retail employee name. Second is AP retail employee location. And third is AP retail employee salary. And these are their corresponding data type. And this is the value. Like Santosh Sah is the AP retail column, AP retail employee name. This is the Gurgaon. This is nothing but AP retail employee location, and this is the salary, AP retail employee salary. So here I have created three records. So in the output we can able to see there's a three columns which we have defined here, and here, and these are the three values which we have supplied with the help of this expression. So let's create this table in data in Power BI. Let me create a new table. Name of the table is AP retail data table. How this table will going to create? This will going to create with the help of a data table. Here we are just defining the column name AP retail employee name. Data type is string. Second one is AP retail employee location. And what is the data type? Data type is string. Sorry. Third column name. Third column name is AP retail employee salary. And what is the data type? Data type is integer. Now, how we are going to populate value in these columns? The value will going to populate it with the help of a curly bracket, and in the curly bracket again we have to provide all the values in the curly bracket. How? This is the value of the first column, that is the AP retail employee name, Santosh Sah. Location is Gurgaon. Salary is 1 lakh. Second is Indu Gupta. Let me put into the quotes. Location is Pune. Salary is this much. Third value is Yogyata Gupta. Location is New Delhi. Salary is done it. So this table gets created. So it has 3 columns: AP retail employee name, AP retail employee location, and AP retail employee salary. This is created here, and these values are getting populated with the help of this expression. In this video, we have seen how we can create a table with the help of a data table function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.